takes up my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you a humongous Ikea haul. I went to Ikea with quite a long list and spent about $600. This had been something I had been saving up for and had a long list. Fun fact, in where I live, we just got Ikea here maybe like 2 years ago. And I used to have to just go to California or something like with my long list, but we are going to be purchasing a new home very soon. And so a lot of what I got was inspiration from the new house and different things and ideas that I have in mind. So though I might put out a few things in our rental home, a lot of this is for our new home. So let me know by giving this video a thumbs up if you want me to share like new home decor hauls and things that have to do with our new house. I will give you guys a full update video on that as soon as I can. But today we're gonna talk all Ikea. You guys asked to see it, so here we go. As most of you guys know, we are living in a temporary rental home while we are home shopping, but there's a few things that I picked up at Ikea for our future home purchase. This Hector like dome lamp, obviously we're not going to take it out of the package, but it's gray, and if you watch some of my previous videos, we had this in a smaller size. So this is to replace like a builder, like ugly style chandelier. Then we got this lac double table. It is, they go together like that. It's gray, and this is going to go in my boys' room for their Lego displays. This little one slides under that, so that'll be great. And then these chairs we also picked up. They are, I won't try to pronounce that, but they are white, and they're a similar style to the chairs we had in our old schoolroom. We still have those teal chairs, but I wanted to get some new white ones because the ones I had previously I got for free, and they were just like chalk painted and not very durable. So these were on sale at Ikea, so I grabbed 2 of those. So these things are just gonna stay right here until it's moving time again, but they were part of the haul that I got today. So the first thing that I have to show you, well, it's actually back there. It is these names, you guys, Henrik's Doll chair. And it's going to replace that white one right there at my desk. That is an old chair and it's not stable, and the more time I spend sitting there, the more I wanted a comfortable chair. I went ahead and got the cover for it. So this is like the chair, and then this is the cover. The kids sometimes use that for homeschool right now, and once we move, the homeschool room and my desk will be in one shared space. So I figured that this chair cover would come in handy. So we went ahead and got that. The next thing I'm going to show you from Ikea is this Labak rug. We plan to use this outdoors, like with a little sitting area we have, and in a house that we are hoping to be able to purchase has a balcony, and so we will put this out there for a nice little sitting area. The next thing that I have is this like circular blue rug. It's called Flong, I think. I already have one of these, but in our rental, it's kind of like the playroom area, and I already have one in there, and then in the house we hope to purchase, it will be like the loft area, the loft area will be our schooling space. So I figure instead of getting a giant area rug, it's kind of fun to have these circular rugs as kind of like a reading corner type area. So I went ahead and got another one of those. Got this light pink bath mat because Ikea just has the best prices, and for the quality, it's fine, it's good. I got this for like the half bathroom. I'm redecorating that in our new house, and it's gonna be like, well, you'll see, but it's cute. I got a new shower curtain for that area, not from Ikea, but this kind of matches it really good. So it's kind of like a blush pink color. Another thing that I went ahead and got was this organizing thingy. Let me show you. It's the Elgot stand, and then I got like the 4-drawer baskets that go in it. You can see right there. I'm going to use that to organize my daughter's baby doll clothes, American Girl clothes, and accessories, have them all organized, and that will fit nicely in the closet in the rental we have right now, and it will also fit in, obviously, a new home's closet. The next thing that I got is this Raskog 3 like utility thing. This is one of my favorite things that I got today. I got it in like the cream off-white color. My boys have a gray one in their room currently, and they have all of their books in there instead of like on a bookshelf. I've wanted one of these for homeschooling for the longest time, and I just have had it on my list to go and get it, never made it. I'm not somebody who's gonna run to Ikea because it is like 30 minutes away, just like on a whim. I really go there for like, I'm getting a lot of things, so super excited about that. I will be using that in this rental home because it is much smaller than our house we sold, and then it'll go in our schoolroom in our new house. The next thing that I got is for our new house. I got these curtain panels. They have like these kind of gourmet or gourmet, I don't know how to say that. They are just tan and very simple. I like to keep neutral window coverings because I like to have fun like with my pillows and my throws, and I don't like a ton of clashing patterns. So I plan on putting those downstairs. The next thing I got is for our master bedroom. The master bedroom has a balcony attached to it, so it has a sliding door, and I'm really hoping they don't put in like those ugly panel plastic window things. If they do, those will come down in a flash. And I have these like white like tabbed curtains like that. I have some patterned ones I saved from our old house that will go on both sides of those. So I needed white to fill in the middle because it is like a big sliding glass door. The next thing I got, do I need to keep saying that? No, I'm just gonna keep showing you guys. Are these, these names, I'm not even gonna say it. These things. You guys remember these from my homeschool room tours? These were cute little patterns. These will go in our new school space once we arrive there. I got 2 of those for just housing things and organization. Our rental house fridge does not have an ice maker, and I have been dying without having ice for smoothies, so I finally was like, I'm getting some ice trays. So we got 2 of those. I got these heavy bookends. They're like this kind of cute thing for our homeschooling space when we move. I got 2 of these because they were on sale for $4.99. The 6-drawer like organizer cubes. I'm gonna use these in my boys' rooms to help organize their drawers, socks, underwear, stuff like that. So I got 2 of those. The next thing that I got are these. If you guys have dogs, you have got to get these things. They're, I think they're like 99 cents. They're just plastic square trays, but they have a little ridge. So you put your pet's bowls on them, and then it catches all the slobber or drool. And they're white, so they're not like an eyesore, like having a towel down or something like that. So I got 2 of those. My hot pads were looking really sad, so I went ahead and got these cute like blue ones. I'm gonna throw away those other bad ones. I also got 2 of these tan like linen type pillow covers. I don't know if I'm like a notorious redecorator, but when I move into a new space, I definitely want to freshen things up. Getting pillow covers instead of just paying for new pillows has been a game changer. So I got these two for that, for our couch pillows. And then I also got this cover. It's like a knit one to replace another one. I think this one is gonna go in my bedroom actually. And then I also got this like blue quilted pillow cover. It's a pretty big one to replace another one as well that we were due to change. Along with the bed, I surveyed you guys on Instagram saying like, are IKEA duvet covers decent enough quality, like where I'm not gonna need a new one in a few months? And so many of you guys said yes. So I went ahead and got this striped one right here. It's gray and kind of oatmeal colored. I'm totally going for like the farmhouse vibe in my new space, in my bedroom when we move. This bedroom I just really haven't decorated because it's so temporary, but in our new house, of course, I'll be setting up. And so I went ahead and got this. I think it's gonna look really cute. And then I also got a new white bed skirt to go with that. And then for our master bathroom, I got two of these like white toothpaste and toothbrush holders, and then a new white soap pump. They have kind of like a cute like detailing. And then I also got the 4 drawers for the Algot storage system. And the things in the garage that I'm not bringing in because they are big pieces of furniture that will strictly be used in our new home once we buy it and it's all said and done. So, like I said, this was a big IKEA haul, but I went knowing it was going to be. And there are only a few more things that I will be getting from IKEA, mainly for the built-ins, like the faux built-in look that I'm gonna be doing in our new schoolroom. I'm sure you guys have seen it, tons of people have done it, but like getting certain kinds of bookcases and measuring the wall so it fits like perfectly. And yeah, I'm excited about that project. Let me know down below if you guys want to see like the how-to videos on that once we do it, and then how I like organize everything. Let me know if you guys would like to see that. Let me know if you guys want to see more new house hauls. I know it might seem kind of weird to some of you guys to be like shopping for a new house before you move into it, but I'm the kind of person that likes to have all of that said and done, so that way when we move in, I can just focus on getting it set up and being homey and not needing to run out to a million stores afterwards. So I'm gonna be like purchasing all of our ceiling fans. I'm gonna be just doing all the things before we get there. So that is my IKEA haul. Let me know if you guys like any of the stuff I got. Let me know about those other videos, like I said, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.